Hey y'all, it's me Japri and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you already know what to do. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you've been here before, then baby, you already know. Okay, so hey y'all, today I will be attempting to do a 5-minute makeup challenge on my beautiful face, and you're going to see that is going to be an epic fail, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna start the timer for 5 minutes. Hold up, let me get my eyebrow pencil in my hand because I'm gonna do my brow first. Okay, 5. Okay, so I'm not a pro, but I was getting somewhere. Okay, so that didn't work, but that's okay because we're still going to finish. So, how y'all day been? My day has been great. I woke up kind of early today, which isn't like me. I am a sleeper, so I like to sleep in. That's just me. I don't give a fuck. Early bird gets the worm. That's great. But I'm gonna get my sleep. I don't care. That's one thing I'm gonna do. Is get my sleep. Okay, and this looks very pretty. I'm going to go in with a little bit more concealer, the darker shade. The bridge of my nose. I have a mirror right here. I don't know what I'm doing, so don't mind me. Now I'm gonna go back in with my foundation. It's looking crazy right now, but I promise. Okay, so that was 10 minutes. Just giving something. I'm going to take this brown from the Juvia's Warrior palette. So I'm gonna take this color right here. I seen this hack
And with this hack, you basically just take your concealer and dab it into the corner of your eyelid, and you blend it in just enough to where it looks like a cut crease. And then you work your eyeshadow around that crease.
More like that. I like it a lot. I'm going to put some mascara on these lashes.
Okay, y'all, so that pretty much wraps up this look. I think it came out so cute. And I think I'm getting back into my makeup bag. Like, I was really into makeup a couple years ago, and then I kind of put it down after I had my son, but your girl still got it. So let me know what y'all think about this look down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.